Hey guys, I wanted to talk today about the multiple covalent bonding, but the triple bond. So we did single, double, now we're going to be triple. So a triple covalent bond, or simply a triple bond, is a covalent bond in which three pairs of electrons are shared between two atoms. Now it's similar to like three single bonds, okay, but a triple bond is very close, where the atoms are very close together, and the triple bond is very, very short. Now there's a theory behind that. Um, Now, uh, we build these molecules the same way like the double bonds. However, we will have to add more bonds until the octet is complete for each nonmetal. So again, each nonmetal must have a total of 8 valence electrons around it except for the hydrogen. Okay. So we're going to draw 3 molecules. We're going to start out with the N2. Okay, so nitrogen is in group 5A. It has 5 valence electrons. Okay. All right. Now, starting out with 5 each, they're going to share 1. By sharing 1, they each get 6, which is not enough. It's going to share a 7. Okay, there's a double bond. That's not enough. So we're going to need to share the third pair, which forms a triple bond. So these 3 here will be shared with the 5 from over here, making 8. So they both now have 8. So nitrogen is going to form a triple bond in between each nitrogen. And the lone pairs are going to be outside as such. Okay. So now around the left nitrogen, there's 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. And the right one, there's 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. Okay. So this is your triple bond. They're not supposed to be difficult. All right. Now let's look at HCN. Okay. There's a single and a triple bond in this one. So let's draw it out. Okay, so we're going to start out with our H here with 1 dot. Put our carbon in the middle. Carbon's always in the middle. And I'm going to throw the N over here with its 3 single dots and its lone pair up there. Okay, so begin by connecting a single line to each one. Okay, and let's take a look. Now, hydrogen has 2 electrons. Good, that's all it needs. Carbon has 4 here, 5 here, 6 here. Not enough. Nitrogen has 5 and the 6th. Okay, not enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another bond, a double bond between the N and the C. So carbon has 4, 5, 6, 7. Still not enough. So we're going to make a triple bond there. So now carbon has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So it's going to be H, line C, triple bond N, like so. H, C, N. Okay. So around this N, there's 8 electrons, and around this carbon, there's 8 electrons. Great. Now the last one is H2C2. Okay. So there's 2 H's, 2 C's. So I'm going to draw 1 H here, 1 carbon here, 1 carbon here, and 1 hydrogen there. Okay, so start connecting like so. And I always connect the left side to 1, then I go from the top single to bottom, leaving the extra ones exposed for future connections so my lines don't kind of crisscross and make X's and you can't follow where they're going. Okay, So this carbon in the middle has 4 to start with, gets its 5th, and its 6th. Still not enough, so we have to make another double bond. Okay, this carbon here is 4, 5, 6, 7 now. Still not enough, so we have to make another bond. So this carbon here has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Okay, so it's going to be H, C, triple bond, C, and H. By the way, this triple bond is a little long. It should be a little shorter. More like that. Really short. I kind of drew it a little too big. Okay, so that's your triple bond in between 2 carbon atoms. Now, let's double check our carbon. So this carbon here, we're going to circle the electrons around it. It has 2, 4, 6, 8. Good. And this carbon here has 2, 4, 6, 8. Perfect. So it is complete. Those nonmetals have 8 valence electrons, and it's good to go. All right, that's triple bonds. That's where we're stopping.